So this is the model which my friend made for the maths exhibition, and it have a very simple concept behind it, and you can also prepare it at your home by using some basic thing. Its basic idea is to turn on the fan when the user connects the correct options with each other, and it won't turn on when the incorrect options are being matched by each other. Like here you can see this. You can see here that the fan turns only when the correct option is being matched. So let's understand the mechanism behind it. So the mechanism is not that much complex, and it is easy to replicate. And as you can see, the correct options were connected with each other through a wire, and here a 9-volt battery is being used with a motor which turns on the fan. You can understand this easily, like that a battery is connected to the motor, and the wires which are connecting them are joined by these pink and yellow wires. And once we connect the correct options, it's like the circuit is being completed and the fan is turning on. Thanks for watching. Bye.